Dog is amazing. Oh, hey yo! Hey yo! Can I take a photo of her?
Yeah.
Tell her to stay still.
Sit.
Oh, I can't see. Wait.
Do you want me to get my light on?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You remember, yeah? Wait, she jumped on me with my sister.
Yeah.
There. This is the doggy that we just saw. Oh, isn't she a giant softie? Oh, hey yo! Look at you.
She wants to lick your hair.
You can't lick me.
She tickles if she licks.
You a silly girl.
Yeah.
Oh, she is so cute. Oh, who's a good dog? Are you a good doggy?
She's an American bully.
Massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Not a bully.
Oh, not the bully I'm thinking of.
Yeah.
So this is, she's amazing. Thank you. All right, the photo's done. There you go. Who's your pretty dog? Give her a crisp.
She never bite. Look, she licked it. Let her lick it.
Oh,
so soft.
oh, hey yo! Can she smell my dog on me?
Yeah. You smell them crisp and all. Right, that's it.
Uh,
Can we go in
Thank
my
you.
garden?
Oh, I've got to take it back. Oh, well, she wouldn't. Come on. Right, that's it.
Isn't that the cutest dog ever? I just made a YouTube video of that. Isn't it though?
Hopefully you'll be get like more views.
Oh, isn't it though? Oh, she is so adorable. Oh, she is so cute. And this is a reminder, guys, to never hurt dogs. Isn't it though? Because as you can see right there, some dogs might be big, but it doesn't mean they're not gentle. No, that is really made my day. I'm going to end the video there. Bye guys, just wanted to show you the dog.